In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Microsoft Word. Justifying text is a simple formatting option that can make your documents look more professional and polished. When text is justified, it lines up evenly on both the left and right margins, creating a clean, straight-edged block of text, similar to what you see in newspapers or books. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through how to do this in Microsoft Word. And I'll also give you a few tips along the way so you understand what's happening and why you might use this option. First, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one that contains the text you want to format. Make sure your text is already typed out or paste it into the document so you have something to work with. It's easier to see the effect of justification when you have at least a few lines or a paragraph of text. Next, you'll want to select the text that you want to justify. To do this, click at the beginning of the text. Hold down your mouse button and drag to the end of the section you want to format. If you want to justify everything in the document, you can quickly select all the text by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+A if you're on a Mac. With your text selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar known as the ribbon. Make sure you're on the Home tab. In the Home tab, find the Paragraph group. This is where you'll see the alignment options, usually represented by small icons that show lines of text aligned in different ways. You'll see icons for left align, center, right align, and justify. The justify icon looks like several horizontal lines that are all the same width from left to right. Click that justify icon. As soon as you click it, you'll notice your selected text shifts to align evenly on both sides, creating that neat, block-style paragraph. If you decide you don't like how it looks, you can always switch back to left neat, center, or right alignment by clicking one of those other icons while your text is still selected. You can also mix and match, for example, justifying body text while keeping headings centered or left aligned. That's all you need to justify text in Microsoft Word. With this simple formatting tool, you can give your documents a cleaner, more professional appearance in just a couple of clicks.